Welcome everyone to our channel. Myself Raghav Pandey. Today our aim to determine occurrence of sublimation and deposition reaction. To perform this activity we need Kampur. Here we have Kampur and ammonium chloride. Here we also have this ammonium chloride, and next thing we need is funnel, and we also have a funnel. This is funnel, everyone can see. And third one is we need cotton plug. We have cotton plug also. And third we need china dish. Here china dish, everyone can see. This is china dish. So we are going to perform the activity of class 9 1.13. This is our tripod, everyone can see. Second, this is our gauze, and this is our burner by which we can burn kapoor. And this is china dish. This is ammonium chloride. I am opening this to show you that how it is. This is cotton plug, and this is camphor. So this is funnel. I am going to arrange this. I am putting tripod stand on burner, and this is our ghost. I am putting china dish. I am removing the packet of this kapoor. I am going to keeping this funnel on this china dish. So you can see how I arranged this. This is cotton plug that I putted. I burned this. This is burning. मतलब gathered on. Starting से शुरू कर. I have burned this. By burning, the kapoor will gathered on the cotton plug. So this process is called sublimation process. In this process, the solid is converted into the gas. It is happening, everyone can see. The kapoor is going to melting. I am showing you. It is happening. Sublimation reaction. You can see that how cotton is. क्या बोलना था? हाँ. You can see the color of cotton get changed. So everyone can visualize that sublimation process is already happened. So sublimation process already happened. We have proved that the sublimation process are happening. In this process, solid is converted into gas. Everyone can see. इसके ऊपर सर liquid. You can see the vapor is not formed on this funnel. So we can say that the sublimation process is reacted on this process. Thank you.